Hello everyone, welcome to AGP tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can make a fun and interesting color detection game in Scratch. So here I have some color charts and let's see what happens when I show them to our Scratch cat. If I bring red, that is red. If I bring pink, this is pink. This is pink. And that is green. And that is green. Oh, that is yellow. But in all of these papers, the Scratch cat told their name. But when I take this purple chart, it makes a beat sound. So this is what I'm going to show in today's video. If you want to know how I made this, make sure to watch till the end. And if you enjoyed the video, click on the subscribe button and the like button and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video, and give your valuable comments so that I can know which game to make next. Now let's start the coding part. So here I have my cat sprite. So for this game, you would need the video sensing in the add extensions. Click on add extension and you can see many extensions here. Click on video sensing. This will open a new tab where you get new blocks. So first of all, get a when green flag is clicked, go to video sensing, get a set video transparency to 0, get a turn video on. Now if I press the green flag, you can see me and now cat sprite here. Now let's make him a little bigger. And now let's start his color detection. Get the when green flag is clicked, get the forever loop, then get an if statement, then go to sensing, get a touching color. So here, check the color picker tool and here you can select the color in the background. Now I'm going to take pink, and here if I just click a color from this side, it detects it. And for now, let's just make it to say meow. That can see doing nothing, but as soon as I show that, see this immediately. So to fix that, wait 1 second. Now if I try it does not do the problem. Now let's just change our sound. Now what I've done is I recorded all the 4 colors that I need. Pink. This is pink. Red. That is red. Green. And that is green. And yellow. Oh, that is yellow. So now let's make that our cat detects all of these colors. So first go and switch the sound to pink. Now if we try it, I get my pink paper here. This is pink. It works. This is pink. Now if I take paper say green, it would not. If I take red, it wouldn't. Yellow, no. Now, so if you want to add more colors, just duplicate this and then again click on this circle, take the color picker icon and then just bring the paper or any color on the screen, then just select it. And next, just change the sound. Oh, that is yellow. Oh, that is yellow. Oh, that is yellow. Oh, that is yellow. Looks like the 1 second is not enough for this sound. Let me just double it up for 2 seconds. Now if I try it. Oh, that is yellow. Oh, that is yellow. That is working. And now same for the green and the red. Again, duplicate these two. Now use the color picker to take the green color and then switch the sound to green. Now if we try it, and that is green. Like this is good. And finally our red. Again, do the same process. That is red. That is red. Now that works. So that's basically the entire game. Now let's just try all of the 4 colors. Now let's see if our sprite is identifying the colors. Oh, that is yellow. Can identify the yellow. This is pink. This is pink. That is red. It also works for the red. Then now if I take a random color, say this purple sheet, that's not detect because we haven't saved it. So that is correct. Now instead of just making a sprite talk, I'm going to show you another thing you can do with this. And that is green. And that is green. So I have this purple sheet. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to duplicate this. And then again do the same process. But instead of touching pink, I'm going to add a new sound. First, we're going to choose the sprite. Let me go to music section. And let me choose the drum. So here I can take the sound. I think I'll take this. I can just drag it and put it in the cat sprite. And now it is right there. So basically when it touches the color purple, it will put to the sound. Now if we try this. For a green, and that is green. Oh, that is yellow. What? That is red. When I use this, it makes the sound. I don't, it doesn't. So that is basically it. Now this is pink. Let's just see if this it detects the correct color. This is pink. The pink works. Oh, that is yellow. Yellow works. And that is red. Both of them work. And finally, can also work. So if you want more videos like this, you should like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Thank you.